Hey everybody, welcome into TechExpress. My name is Steven. I'm going to be showing you how to add any specific prices and discount into your actual store of Shopify using whatever products that you have. So whether you have some print-on-demand stuff, whether you have some drop shipping, or just having this manually, I'm going to be showing you this step that works into the 3 ways or even other ways. So let's just get started. As you can see, I'm already here taking a look into the preview of my website. As you can see, I have this custom price, I have a sale stuff. I'm going to be showing you how we can do this later on. It's really way and catchy. So what I want to do in order to make sure that we have the right elements to get started is to go directly into our dashboard of Shopify, as you can see right here, and let's locate the actual product. So here I'm going to get into product, and as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements that I can just get started on. So as you can see, I don't see the actual prices because I need to add this automatically. If I am using a drop shipping, if you are using some print on demand, the application should be helping you to add those elements automatically. For example, I'm using Printify to add my print on demand application stuff products. So I'm going to do this inside here so you can see how it's going to be looking. All the elements in this app automatically imports everything into my Shopify account. So let's go and locate, let's say for example this tough scarf or this one face mask. I'm going to type for start a design, and I just needed to add my custom design so I can start designing my custom product. So let's go and choose the one that we just created. I'm going to make this a little bit more big enough like this. There we go. So after that, I'm going to go into save my product. I have now the mockup. So this is how it's going to be looking, my actual face mask. If you like that, just get into publish. Now, if I get into published, as you can see here, it's going to be appearing the actual option that says publishing, and I just need to wait a few seconds here. So what does the actual application do for us? They do actually add the status inventory, and I can go back into my products, and here should be appearing my new product. So as you can see, I have the faded polyester face mask and have the status active. If I click into that option, it's going to appear in my description, my media, the variants, and the search engine listing. And here's the tags, here's the collection, the vendor, everything is added automatically. So what I want to do now is just to make sure that I have the actual right price so we can sell this directly into our actual store. So as you can see here, I have one variant, which is the price of $13. So if you wanted to change the price, I'm going to hit into edit, and here I have the cost per item. Here's the profit, here's the margin. This is something that's going to be helping us to figure out how much money we're going to be earning per sale. So the actual customer is not going to be seeing this part, of course. So he's focused into the actual price. So let's say, for example, this one costs us $10, and you put it here $13. So let's go for $19. Cost per item, let's go and leave it like that, and hit into done. There we go. So now I'm going to focus into save, and this should be doing that automatically. Now if I wanted to add like just something so people can see that this one is on sale, let's say for example that I wanted to go back, and I'm going to hit into, let's say for example that I want to choose this one, premium, and this one has the price of $13. So I want to compare that price to something a little bit more higher so people can see that there is an actual sale here. So let's say that this price is $12.99, and the real price here, the real price of course, is $25.99. And the cost per item, of course, for me is $10. So that means per sale, I'm going to be earning to almost $30. Imagine a 23%. So with that being said, I'm going to just leave it like that. I'm going to hit into save. And then later on, I can go into my online store. And then I wanted to hit into my current theme. I'm going to hit into customize. So this is a real great trick, so you can incentivize people to see that there's an actual sale and people can just buy this stuff for a limited price, a limited time, of course. So now what I want to do is to add a discount. So what I want to do now is to go back into my actual sections, and let's focus into the products. And here I have different ways so I can add a discount. Whether you want to create some gift cards, or what you can do is to create an actual discount. So here, if I go into my gift cards, I can add a gift card product, and here I can start by creating some gift card. For example, let's go for human gift card, And here I'm going to type my media. Here's the nominations, $25, $50, 100%, and hit into save. So people can start to actually buy an actual gift card. Add your gift card to a collection so customer can find it in your store. So let's go into collections and get into the home page, and there we go. So now that I have that, let's focus into creating an actual discount. So let's focus into discount here. And now as you can see, I have one discount created. Let's create another one so you can see how is the process of how you can create an actual discount. Let's go into create discount to the upper side. And here you have different types of discount. I can create a discount for a specific product. I can create an amount for a specific order, or just for the total order. Or let's say that I have the famous buy X stuff and you can get Y stuff totally for free. Or even I can offer a free shipping discount. So this one is like everybody does into the actual website. So you can choose free shipping. I have the discount code, and you can hit into generate. So this automatically is going to be giving some random numbers and letters. So here it says all countries, I'm going to hit into all countries. Shipping grades, you can exclude those shipping grades, or you can leave it out disabled. And then I have the minimum purchase requirements. This is going to be really helpful. Let's say, for example, if you wanted to offer free shipping for minimum purchase amount of $100. So I'm going to type for minimum purchase amount, and I'm going to type my $100 amount. So later on, customer eligibility, I hit into all customers. Maximum discount uses, I'm going to limit of time. So this one can be used, let's say, only 100 times. And there we go. So I'm going to hit now into save discount. What I want to do so people can take advantage of this actual discount is to go into my online store. I'm going to hit now into customize, and here into this banner of the headline where it says welcome to our store, I'm going to delete this part, and let's go for, there we go. So now people can see that there's an actual free shipping if they start to buy and they have a minimum amount of $100 into the checkout order. So I'm going to hit now into save, and there we go. Now speaking about the other discount, like creating a discount for a specific product, I'm going to hit now into discount. I'm going to hit into create a discount, and let's go with that I wanted to make an amount of a product. So I'm going to choose this option, and I have method, I have the automatic discount or a discount code. So I'm going to choose automatic discount, and here I want to type, let's say, 10% off. The value I wanted to, let's say, choose a 10% off, of course, is to go back into my online store. I'm going to locate once again the product that we have just made the discount for. I'm going to scroll all my way down, and here I'm going to choose the filter polyester face mask. I'm going to go actually into view my store, so it's going to be taking how it's going to be looking. And automatically I have the 10% off into my cart, so I just added the discount automatically into this actual face mask. So this is how, guys, we can add some different products prices, and this is how we can add some different discounts inside our actual Shopify store. It's really a great lifesaver to add discounts so people can be more incentivized to buy your products. So I think it's really worth it to check it out, that discount part or gift cards. So with that being said, guys, we have now reached into the very end of the video, so don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And well, guys, I'll see you next video. See you soon.